Hey guys, Hazen Warlick here with ABC Window Cleaning Supply. In this video, we're going to be talking about common water-fed obstacles and how to overcome them. Something you may have already come across in your experiences as a window cleaner is hydrophobic glass. Hydrophobic glass is incredibly hard to rinse. The best way to overcome hydrophobic glass is to have a nice, even rinse pattern. This can be accomplished in two ways. You can either use your fan jets, or even better, your rinse bar to get a nice, even flood rinse down the glass. Now, eventually, we all know we're going to run into very dirty windows. And although water-fed cleaning is meant to be a maintenance clean, there are a few ways to overcome very, very dirty windows. The first of which being pads and pad holders used on the end of your pole for extra scrubbing power, and the second of which would be to use a hog's hair brush. The hog's hair bristles have a more aggressive scrub and will help you tackle those set-in stains a little bit better. That being said, if neither one of these methods works for you, you may need to resort to a traditional method of window cleaning for that initial clean, and you can come back later with a water-fed system. So the most common issue we see with water-fed users is spotting. Spotting can develop from two main reasons, the first of which being an improper scrub. If you're not giving that brush enough passes with enough pressure, you're going to be leaving spots and dirt behind potentially, especially up in the corners and in those nooks and crannies. The second reason for spotting is that rinse. The rinse is the most important part of the entire process. It's like doing a great job with your washer sleeve and a poor job squeegeeing. It's not going to give that spot-free shine. Having a thorough and effective rinse is the number one thing you need to do to overcome spotting. After you've purchased your system, you're definitely going to want to know how to maintain it. The first and most important part of maintaining a multi-stage system is to flush your RO membrane. Flushing your RO membrane by opening your bypass for 1 to 2 minutes is all it takes to guarantee you're flushing all of those impurities out of that RO membrane, thus extending the life of it. The second part that's important is knowing about proper transportation and loading and unloading of your system. Knowing how to do this yourself as well as educating your employees on this is a very, very good thing to do to protect your investment. The final part about maintenance I wanted to mention is making sure that your filters do not freeze. Leaving your system in even close to freezing temperatures runs the risk of possibly damaging your filters and costing you a lot of money. So we talked a little bit about potential problems you may face as a water-fed window cleaner and how to overcome them. If you feel that there's still problems out there that you're just not being able to solve, check out the links in the description or feel free to contact us directly. We'll be happy to help you. Thanks so much for watching.